Hello and welcome to the Last Night on Earth custom board builder and basic game implementer. So this project tries to tackle two problems that board games, while having the freedom to adjust the rules basically as you wish, are often limited in the ways you can arrange the pieces, and video games, which, while potentially having an infinite number of arrangements of the pieces, are pretty much stuck in the way that they run the rules. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to fix both problems by leaving people free to implement the rules as they so choose, while also giving them the ability to implement the board as they like it. And this is for the board game Last Night on Earth by Flying Frog Productions. Alright, so the first thing you can do is, of course, you can read the rules, and this is useful to do, but once you're done doing that, you can then build up the board. So we're going to go over here to the up right here. Here you've got buttons that will allow you to spawn buildings. Go ahead and do so, and then you can go ahead and click and drag them and snap them to the board. What happens if I put a building on top of another building? No problem. What happens if I accidentally grab two buildings? No problem. How about big buildings? Not a concern. What happens if I actually don't want a building that I made? You can recycle it. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so let's say you like this board pattern. What do you do next? Well, you can fill up the board. So watch as the board just fills up. So what's going on here actually is we are placing a grass tile at the center of the board, and then we're just snapping it to the nearest free spot until the board is full. Alright, now, suppose you wanted to put a thing on the board and it's full. What happens? It just snaps to the top left of the box there. Sorry, we're going to throw that away. Boop. And we're going to lock the board in place. And notice how you can't move anything anymore. Alright, at this point you are able to play the game. So you're going to first be able to select your heroes. You go ahead and click on these buttons. You get to pick 4 of them, after which the buttons go away. See, there are your heroes. Their pieces are up here. Here, I'll grab one and show it to you. Here we are. He's floating around, and he actually snapped into a box really well. And we can also snap another guy in there. This is a zombie. He snaps pretty well. Another character. You get the idea. And then we're going to focus over here. Heroes can fight zombies. We've basically implemented the core of the game while leaving the details up to players, which is the point of the project, but you can still do things like have characters get dead. If you want to, you can bring them back to life. If you want to, you can implement some spawning pits and put them on the board, some different markers. And last but not least, if you want to make it so that it's raining as the zombies come out of the earth, you can make it rain. Alright, thanks a lot and have a good day.